सो ये वीडियो उन्हीं के लिए है जो कि मेल पैटर्न बॉल्डनेस से सफ़र कर रहे हैं, एंड दैट टू एट स्टेज 1 एंड स्टेज 2, दैट इज इनिशियल फॉर्म ऑफ बॉल्डनेस। स्टेज 1 एंड स्टेज 2 मेल पैटर्न बॉल्डनेस में होते हैं, उनको सीवियर डैंड्रफ होता ही है। तो एट दैट टाइम आई वुड एडवाइज यू कि आप एक बार अपनी डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करो एंड फर्स्टली गेट रीड ऑफ द डैंड्रफ, बिकॉज दैट इज अ मेजर कॉज फॉर योर हेयर लॉस। देयर आर फ्यू काइंड्स ऑफ डैंड्रफ एज वेल, जो मेरे को अभी पता चला। फर्स्टली नॉर्मल डैंड्रफ जो हर एक को होता है, सो इन दैट केस नॉर्मल आपके एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पूज जैसे कि हेड एंड शोल्डर्स कुछ भी काम आ ही जाएंगे वो ट्रीट करने को। So recently I came across a term named Malassezia, and I came to know that Malassezia looks like dandruff, but it is not actual dandruff. So it is a form of fungus on your scalp, and you can't get rid of it through normal shampoos or normal coconut oil. So in that case I discovered these two products, and this is not a promotional event at all. I came across these products, I tried this, and these are very good. That's the result why I'm suggesting you, but this is not any promotional event. The first one being tea tree oil. So this is an Ayurvedic product, and this is not available over the counter, so you have to order it online. I purchased it from Amazon for around 200 or 300 INR, or the bottle is very small, I know, and I apply it once every week, so 2-3 महीने तो आराम से चल जाएगा. The second one being, it is an anti-dandruff keto power anti-dandruff shampoo. This is Man Matters. So it contains 2% ketoconazole. It is available over the counter as well, but out there as well they clearly say that you will have to have a prescription for doctor to buy this from the retail stores. I ordered it online through Man Matters app, and in that case as well they have an internal doctor consultation where they will be consulting you to advise you that you have to purchase any supplementary product along with this product. So there is an internal doctor consultation as well, and once who are going to purchase through over the counters, so yes, you will need to ask your doctor first, because I think there are few side effects for ketoconazole. So only your doctors can say that is it safe for you or not. I apply it twice every week, and this is available for around 350 rupees, and this has also proven to be very effective in controlling dandruff. So I can say that almost all my dandruff has gone. I want जो भी मेल पैटर्न बॉल्डनेस फेस कर रहे हैं उनको सबसे ज़्यादा क्यूरोसिटी होती है कि will it help me in regrowth of any hairs? No, the answer is clear no. अभी तक मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं देखा जहाँ से मेरा हेयर का रीग्रोथ हुआ हो. अभी पता नहीं, एक बार ये खत्म हो जाने के बाद मेरे को फिर से एक बार रीबाय करना पड़ेगा कि क्या, बिकॉज इट मीन्स दैट मलेशिया विल रीडेवलप ऑन माई स्काल्प. आई होप इट इज नॉट द केस दैट वंस आई यूज दिस, दोनों में ये प्रोडक्ट खत्म करूँ, अगेन आई don't face the same issue, again I don't need to rebuy this. This is what I'm hoping, at least. Let's see.